how to add an action button onto your Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can add the action button into our Facebook page. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, you need to open up your facebook.com in your browser, in any of your browser. After that, you'll be able to see this section on your profile of your Facebook page. And here, what you're going to do is navigate to the three dot, and you should be easily able to see this add action button. So you just need to go further with the process. Just tap on this try it option and create your action button. You may just choose any of these options, set it up, adjust it according to you, like get people to contact you. You may just choose any of the option. I'm going to choose send WhatsApp message. Whereas link to your group or app, I'm going to choose this watch now option. And when you scroll up, you should be able to see other options as well, like get people to contact you. You may just choose any of these options. After that, what you're going to do is set it up. When you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see this next option. Just add your website link. After that, simply hit on next. And when you do everything, follow every process, when you do everything, you should be able to see your action button on beside your profile very easily. So just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.